Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Putnam with Chartwells. Today we're going to be making a ground turkey chili. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry. Some of the items are from the store. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is we need to dice this onion. With the jalapeno, if you leave the stem and the seeds in there, it's definitely going to be hotter. So I like to leave them in there. If you want it a little less hot, take the seeds and stems out. We need to open up all of our cans and set them aside. So we're going to turn this on to medium heat. Now we need to add a little oil. Now we're going to add our ground turkey and we're going to cook it completely. We need to go ahead and remove it from the pot. Okay, let's add some more oil to our pot. Now we're going to add the onions and jalapeno that we diced. We're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add our ground turkey back to the pot. We're going to add all of our canned ingredients. Chili powder, cumin, granulated garlic, cayenne, a little bit of salt and pepper. Stir this.
Hi, my name is Kara and I'm the district's dietitian and a proud Pike grad. So this recipe uses ground turkey. Ground turkey and ground chicken are both lean meats that are a great swap for ground beef. They are lower in saturated fat and more heart healthy.
We're going to turn that heat down just a little bit, just under medium. We're going to put that on there, let it cook for a good 10-15 minutes. All right, so we've had this cooking for a good 10 minutes. We're going to give it a taste and see if it needs anything else. Delicious.